Alright guys, the screencast boss is here to show you how to do FTP shit for the new test versions of Impactful. I don't know where that information is that I sent you guys. Oh, here it is. Okay, so if you want to access one of these SiteWorks, you need a program called FileZilla, which you possibly do or don't have. If you don't have it, just download it. It's free, easy to install, blah blah, download. Once you do have it, this is what it looks like. So you just have a space here where you can put in those details that I put in the email. So your host IP is this, username is sitework, and password is Sedather with a 1. Hit quick connect. It will tell you some boring shit that you don't need to know, and then it will connect you to the host IP. Now you want to go into the public HTML folder, and in there you'll see there's a bunch of WordPress shit. That's from my actual SiteWorks business site, but the subdomains are what you're after. So 1, 2, and 3. So Max, you're on 1, ET, you're on 2. So if you just go into 1, these are the files that give you this instance of the Impactful demo. So to edit them, like to change this text or whatever, you just want to go in here and go to, actually that's a good question, I don't even know where it is, sample.json maybe. Yeah, sample.json. So if you just go into this and edit it, best program to use on a Mac is Sublime Text, which is this guy here. It just brings up the bloody blah of code there that you want to edit. So I want to edit this podcast is a digital medium text, so I'm just going to go and find that in the text here. There it is, blah blah. So now I can change this to whatever I want. So let's put something else in here. Wonder if we can just go. So you need to kind of have a basic grasp of HTML for this, I guess. So my HTML is pretty dog's balls, but ET and Max are gay. And then you want to hit save once you've done that. And then you'll go back to FileZilla and it'll say, oh shit, you changed something. Do you want to re-upload that? And you say yes. So it re-uploads. So it's a little bit annoying in that you have to re-upload each time you make an edit. But now if we refresh this, it should crash and be fucked. So, okay, obviously it's not completely HTML proof. Let's remove that. Or it probably isn't, I'm just a retard with HTML. It's much more likely. Okay, let's try that. Again, just it's asking you to re-upload it to the server. Say yes. Once it's finished, it's done. And we load this, and yeah, it now says ET and Max are gay. So that's the reality. That's basically all you need to know. I mean, you'll see, looking in this this sample JSON file, you will be able to find everything that is in this environment. So if you just look for any instance of text, then you should be able to find it in here and change it so that you can get an idea of what you're looking at. Like you can change this header, these things here, assumedly these buttons, etc. Yeah, I think that's all you need to know. If nothing makes sense, or if something doesn't make sense, just let me know. Right on, cool.